Welcome to Nordic Funds Mines, Scandinavia's premier global mining investment event, held in Stockholm on September 25 to 26, 2024. This gathering marked a key milestone for the mining investment community. Investors, industry leaders, and experts from across the globe came together to share knowledge and foster business opportunities. The event featured keynote speeches from influential figures such as Alex Ball from Aya Gold and Silver, Erik Strand of AG Funds, and John Fennick of Fennick Consulting. They provided valuable insights into the evolving global investment landscape, emphasizing the importance of specific metals and sustainable mining practices in the Nordic region. Interactive workshops and roundtable discussions offered practical insights into critical topics like mineral exploration, resource management, and investment strategies. These sessions allowed attendees to exchange ideas and gain actionable takeaways. A unique feature of the event was its access to both the premier Scandinavian investment community and a large retail audience. This dynamic environment fostered valuable networking opportunities, leading to several cooperation agreements and new collaborations in the mining industry. Looking ahead, Nordic Funds Mines 2025 promises to be even more impactful. In response to the European Union's Critical Raw Materials Act, the 2025 event will emphasize the critical minerals essential for the green energy transition. With a growing focus on sustainability and ESG, the 2025 event will highlight the latest sustainable mining practices and investment strategies. There will also be dedicated spaces for companies to showcase cutting-edge technologies in mining and resource management. Join us in 2025 as we continue to shape the future of Nordic mining and investment. Nordic Funds Mines, the gateway to mining networking in Scandinavia.